Morning to all and welcome to today's sessions. In this lectures, we will exploring an essential safety features in modern vehicles that is called an ABS or anti-lock braking systems. The ABS is mainly designed to prevent your vehicle wheels from locking up or skidding during the braking moment, especially in emergency situation or slippery roads. This allows you to maintain your control of steerings and avoiding skiddings by using an ABS technology. Today we have to understand how ABS works and what are the components used in ABS and what is the significance in road safety. Okay, let's we see what is meant by anti-lock braking systems. The anti-lock braking systems mainly used to reduce the risk of tires skidding under the heavy braking conditions and allow the drivers to maintain the steering control of the car. The only ABS operates under the heavy braking or slippery surfaces. Now imagine this, you are driving on a wet road and suddenly need to brake hard. Without ABS, the wheel would lock up and cause you to lose control and potentially skid into the dangerous situations. Now we consider in with ABS system, the ABS system can sense the vehicle lockup and adjust the braking pressure and ensure you to maintain the control of your vehicles. It almost like having an invisible assistance helping you to stay safety is one of the major safety features which will be available in most of the vehicles. Is a kind of an active braking systems or newly safety technology that provides the driver with braking supports during the emergency situations. It's a brake assist measure the speed and force of the brake applications to determine whether the driver is attempting an emergency stop. If such an emergency is determined, the systems apply the additional braking pressures to allow the driver to full advantages the ABS, which prevents the wheel lock. First, it helps to maintain the steering control during the braking. This can be life-saving in emergency, and then it reduces the risk of skidding on wet, icy, or uneven roads. The second, it can reduce the risk of skidding on wet or icy or uneven surface roads. The third, the ABS improves the stability of your vehicles and especially at a high speed. Overall, the ABS making the driver safety and enhancing your control during the unexpected situations like skiddy roads and wet roads, and when you are having a fast driving in the situations, it's very helpful to the drivers and also the passengers. And next, we have to discuss about the key components of an ABS systems. First, we look at the main components of the ABS system. The first one is a wheel speed sensor. This monitor the speed of the each wheels, and and second one is the electronics control unit. It's also called an ECU. It is a brain of the system that processes the data of every electronic systems which will incorporated in vehicles. It's also maintain the data and monitor and control the data of the ABS systems also. And third one is a hydraulic control unit. It's modulate the brake pressures. And fourth one is the brake actuators and valves. This helps in applying or releasing the brake pressure as when we needed. It is also one of the actuators used for applying a brake to the brake disc. These are the components to ensure your brakes response effectively without locking the wheels. Next, we discuss the working principle of an ABS. Now we see the principles. When you brake, the sensor on each wheel monitor the speed. If the wheel starts to lock, the systems take actions. The electronic control unit or ECU process the data from the sensors and command the hydraulic control unit to adjust the brake pressure. This prevents the wheels from the locking up and allows the vehicle to maintain interactions with the roads. You may even feel the brake pedal during the ABS activations. This is completely normal and show the systems doing its jobs very nice. These are all the main. So now ABS is like critical safety features that enhance the control and stability braking. It prevents the wheel lockup, reduce the skiddings, and helps drivers to navigate the challenges roads conditions. While ABS improves the safety, it does not substitute for careful driving. So also drive within your limit and adjust your speed to the road conditions. Thank you for the joining these sessions.